Welcome back to Elegance on a Budget. Today we will be upcycling Yankee candles and making them out of cotton holders and swab holders. And you could use it for any type of holder that you choose. But today we will be making these holders. So if you think you might be interested in this project, just continue to keep watching.
For your cotton swabs, and then the other one, which is this size, I'm going to do that one, and that's going to be for your cotton balls. What we're going to need is Mod Podge, crushed glass, and you need your paintbrush, and you can get your little jewels to decorate it whichever way you want. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, now that it's dry, now what I want to do, you can either keep it like this, but I want to put a little more bling to it. So what I want to do is to take, now pay attention to what I'm getting ready to explain to you. Okay, this is your glass, see-through glass. This is another crushed glass. This is another type. This particular type of glass is crushed a little more finer than this. So when you're looking at your glass, your crystal glass, you can also do a pouring of this here. It's just that it's heavier. It's a little heavier. These are more crushed. So this is more finer. And I have another video that I also did a vase on, and this is what you were able to see, the crushed glass. And I took the bigger pieces, which I'm going to show you in a minute. I want to open this up just to show you there's a difference. And when you want to make it a little more blingy, how you would use this. So let me see if I can open it. Okay. Okay, now, let me show you this, what I'm talking about. See, sometimes you would find, and you do use your tweezers, but like this particular one here, okay, this is big. This is a big piece. That's a bigger piece. You also have, these are your chips. These are just your crush. So see the difference in that? So there's a difference in here. This is your crushed glass. This is also crushed glass. It's just bigger pieces of the crushed glass. So whenever you're dealing with this to make it bigger, then you just pick out different pieces here. Like they have this big piece here. This is a bigger piece than this piece, so they come different sizes. So this is what you would do. Now, this is what I'm showing you here on this particular video on how I do it to make it get it a little bit more blingier. So this is what you see here. This is already your crushed glass here. You notice that it's smaller. So this is what you're looking at here. This here is what you're looking at here on here. Now, if you want to make it bigger, make it more glue gun you need with this, because this is too heavy to place on here. This, what you see on here, is what this is, your crushed glass. So, but it's all crushed glass. You just have to look at the size. So, but you can leave it like this, and it's beautiful. But what I want to do now is that I'm going to start putting the bigger pieces on here in certain areas, which gives it more of a bling. So I wanted to explain that. Last time I had so many people asking me, how do I get that look? I was gonna do another video because I showed them on the first one. For some reason, it wasn't clear to them. So I wanted to make it a little clearer. So this is what I'm dealing with now, is the bigger pieces. And I'm gonna show you here that these are the bigger pieces. See how fat that is there? So these are the bigger pieces. So now I'm going to be putting them on here, like using my glue gun to place it in different areas. Let's say I'll put one here. So I'm just gonna dab it. And so that you won't lose it, just put your finger there where it is. And this is it. And it's right here. Now I'll put another piece here, and you always turn the part that you want to see, turn it to the mirror part, because there's a side. You have different sides to it. So you want to make sure you keep it where the mirror is. I have it turned toward you, so I should have it turned toward me so I can see what I'm doing. There's only one side that's going to show the mirror. So this is what you have to find, the side that shows the mirror, which is very easy. Let's say this is one here. This is one of them. And you just have to keep moving it around until you see the mirror. And this is your mirror, right? This side here is your mirror. That would be the mirror side. Then you just place it, and that's how you get your extras. I'm going to repeat it throughout this part here, because this is just your plain crushed glass. Like I said, your plain crushed glass is pretty, but I like to bring it out a little more to make it look more rich. This is it. See, I just have it in different areas. I didn't put it all over, close it in, but I just have it in different areas, and it just gives it more of a little glitter, which is really nice. And you can fill it in as much as you want. I mean, you can put more in, and I'm looking at different areas. I might put like maybe 4 of them more on the side here. I'm going to do the same thing with this.
This does complete our tutorial for today. the Upcycled candle holders by Yankees. We made them into a cotton holder. And this one's a swab holder, the smaller one. Those are inside. Those are the swabs. And those are the cotton. Like this tutorial, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so at this time so you can receive all notifications every time we upload a video. Until next time, God bless. We will see you on our next video. Bye.